Geocoding is integral to route optimization. Trimble assigns a latitude and longitude coordinate to a stop based on data from the U.S. Postal Service system, Google Maps APIs, or your ERP and TMS applications. These geopoints are used to calculate the distance between a terminal and stop. Route plans are only as accurate as this geopoint data. The DirectRoute and DRTrack systems allow you to clean stop addresses prior to geocoding to build the most optimized route. In this video, we'll review how to use geocoding options in both DirectRoute and DRTrack. Let's begin. Geocoding stops manually in DirectRoute. Go to File. Open. Select your stop file and click Open. The stop file loads. Click the address cleanup icon in the toolbar and choose one of the following options. To review each address before it is cleaned, click the Correct button. Click Next to load the next address. To clean multiple addresses without individual review, select Process All. You can also select the Geocode by Address icon in the toolbar to perform multiple tasks at once, such as color code stops based on result criteria. Skip any stops already geocoded. Default to the recorded zip code if the system cannot find the street address. Use the combined Update Address, City, Zip option to correct addresses as they are found. Similar to address cleanup, you can process stops individually or in batches. Finally, if you do not have address information, the option to geocode the stops by zip code is available by selecting the Geocode by Zip icon in the toolbar. Geocoding stops automatically in DirectRoute. Go to File. Preferences. The Preferences menu loads. Expand the Pre-process menu. Expand the Geocoding menu. Options include address cleanup, geocoding stops, color coding stops, and more. Select the options relevant to your operations. Select True to enable an option. Select False to disable an option. When finished, click OK. Note that to use geocoding in the route building process, ensure Enable Pre-processing is selected in the Load options in the Build Route dialog box. Please see the video Loading Routes for more information on this process. Geocoding stops automatically in DRTrack. Go to Admin, Site, Settings and Configuration. The Configuration Manager loads. Select the section OMM. Select Edit next to the option Geocode Ungeocoded Orders within OMM. Select the checkbox. Click Update to save your changes. This option ensures stops receive a geocode automatically when they are pushed to DRTrack. Geocoding stops manually in DRTrack. Go to Admin, Routing, Algorithm Settings. The Algorithm Settings Manager screen loads. Expand the Geocode Options menu. Options include Address Cleanup, Geocoding Stops, Geocoding by Zip Code, and more. Select the options relevant to your operations. Click Edit to check or uncheck the box for each option. Once a selection is made, click Update to save your changes. You can also geocode stops manually from the Unloaded Orders or Route Board page. To geocode stops manually from the Unloaded Orders page, click Dispatch in the top menu bar. Select Unloaded Orders. The Unloaded Orders page loads. Select the checkbox next to the order to be geocoded. You may select multiple orders at once. Click the Geocode button at the top right of the screen. DRTrack geocodes the selected orders and returns a value in the Geo Result column of the Unloaded Orders page. To geocode stops manually from the Route Board page, click Dispatch in the top menu bar. Select Route Board. The Route Board page loads. Select the Unloaded Stops tab under the map. Select the checkbox next to the stop to geocode. You may select multiple stops at once. Click the Geocode Orders button at the top of the Unloaded Stops tab. DRTrack geocodes the selected orders and returns a value in the Geo Result column of the Unloaded Orders page. Once geocoding is complete, you may proceed with route building. You have completed the geocoding training video. To learn more about this product, visit our Learning Center to access on-demand training and online help.